The global renovation market is now 3 times larger than the fast food industry. And by 2019, its estimated value will be over $2.2 trillion. This is being driven by an increase in urbanization, disposable income, and land values. An explosion of renovation-themed television shows broadcast on channels all over the world reflect the popularity of home renovation. And consumer trending towards enhancing lifestyles and maximizing the potential of home investments. No longer content with simply owning a property, people are extending their living areas and renovating existing spaces to get the very best from their homes. What companies are servicing this lucrative market? The large-scale building companies are focused on the commercial and new home building sectors. So traditionally, the renovation market has belonged to small trade-based builders. But cluttered with so many operators, the industry was fragmented and subject to huge variations in pricing, quality of service, and building standards. For the consumer, this translated into high stress, budget blowouts, and dissatisfaction with the finished renovation. There was a clear gap in the renovation market for a company with a fresh approach and innovative business strategy. Refresh Renovations has revolutionized this industry. With a unique methodology and a groundbreaking approach to the home renovation sector, Refresh is the first company to successfully meet consumer demand with a globally scalable business model and a professional approach to residential additions and alterations, delivering the same unparalleled customer experience time after time. This multi-award-winning company has surpassed all competitors in the market with an unbeaten commercial performance that has taken Refresh to Australasian brand leader position in a little over 4 years. The Refresh success story carries through to the company being acclaimed by Deloitte as one of the fastest growing and most successful franchise groups in the Southern Hemisphere, with New Zealand alone supporting around 40 franchise operations. The business franchise model is one that has proven successful in many industries. Refresh has established a business model that is able to build a large-scale business in the sector. Refresh drives growth through marketing, provides business systems to manage the volume, and leverages the overall scale of the business to continually improve business results. Refresh franchise owners enjoy the competitive advantage of being part of a successful brand-leading organisation with an established reputation, proven business processes, cohesive tactical marketing strategies, and a centralised IT infrastructure which provides their business with state-of-the-art support. Refresh business owners hold a solid asset with real growth potential in a sky's-the-limit market.
It's that power of being part of a group.
Refresh, a fresh approach to renovation.